You feel tired, scattered, numb. That's not life. That's a hijacked brain. Every scroll, every click is a trade. You're selling your mind. For what? Cheap stimulation. Your attention is currency, and you're going bankrupt. Want to take it back? Sit in boredom, in silence. That's where your mind resets. Focus is a muscle. Distraction is decay. That voice telling you to quit isn't you. That craving to scroll isn't you. You are the one who watches, not the one who reacts. The space between urge and action is your power. Choose boredom over chaos, discipline over dopamine, structure over freedom. Because comfort isn't freedom, it's just slow death. Most people exist to react, but the few who master their mind, they don't escape life, they create